The most dangerous animal in the world. Many people think the most dangerous animal in the world is a big predator like a lion, a tiger, or a shark, but that is not true. The most dangerous animal is actually very small and can be found in many parts of the world. This animal is the mosquito, and it is dangerous because it can carry and spread deadly diseases. Mosquitoes can transmit diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus to humans. These diseases can make people very sick and sometimes even cause death. Because mosquitoes are so small, it is hard to see them or stop them from biting. They are responsible for causing more deaths each year than any other animal on Earth. Mosquitoes live in many countries, especially in warm and wet places where they can breed easily. They lay their eggs in still water, like ponds, puddles, and containers left outside. When the eggs hatch, the baby mosquitoes grow quickly and soon become adults that can fly and bite. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals because they need blood to produce their eggs. Male mosquitoes eat nectar and do not bite people. The bite of a mosquito can be itchy and annoying, but the real danger is the disease it may carry. In some places, people sleep under mosquito nets to avoid being bitten at night. Many scientists and health organizations work hard to fight the spread of mosquito-borne diseases. They use different methods to control mosquito populations, such as spraying insecticides and removing standing water where mosquitoes can breed. People are also encouraged to wear long clothes and use insect repellent to protect themselves from bites. Vaccines are being developed for some diseases, but there is still a lot of work to do. Education is important so that communities know how to protect themselves from mosquitoes. Simple actions can save many lives and reduce the risk of illness. In some countries, programs teach children and adults about the dangers of mosquitoes. Even though the mosquito is tiny, it reminds us that size does not always mean power. A small creature can have a big impact on the world and on human health. Many people still think of dangerous animals as big and scary, but the truth is that some of the deadliest ones are almost invisible. By understanding the risks and taking action, we can protect ourselves and our families. The mosquito will probably always be part of our world, but we can learn to live more safely with it. Protecting ourselves is not only about avoiding bites, but also about helping our communities stay healthy. In this way, the fight against the most dangerous animal in the world continues every day. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.